Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 3. Let us introduce our team.
My name is Evangelita Lojesi Mesika, also known as Lita.
My name is Muhammad Arfansyah.
My name is Olivia Renzika Gianto.
And my name is Sulfia Masnya Ulfa. Okay, we will explain the chart number 6 about the result of survey about people's coffee and tea buying and drinking habits in 5 Australian cities. This chart shows a comparison of the coffee and tea buying and drinking habits of people in several Australian cities, including Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, and Hobart. Habits are divided 3 categories. First, those who bought fresh coffee in last 4 weeks, indicated by blue bar. Second, those who bought instant coffee in last 4 weeks, indicated by orange bar. And the last, those who went to a cafe for coffee and tea in last 4 weeks, indicated by gray bar. And this is 5 points that I like about this chart that will be explained to my partner.
Okay, now I'll explain about the first point. So the first point is the most popular activity in the last 4 weeks of 5 Australian cities is went to cafe for drinking coffee or tea. Why? Because when we look back at this chart, we can see that this gray bar, which indicates went to cafe for coffee or tea in the last 4 weeks, is the highest bar in each cities. So it means that this is the most popular activity at that time.
The highest percentage of people with the habit of went to a cafe for coffee or tea, the percentage is exactly 70%. The city with lowest percentage of this habit is Sydney. The percentage is around 54%. In habit of buying fresh coffee, Sydney has the lowest percentage, which is exactly 40%, and Adelaide has the highest percentage, which is exactly 60%.
Next, in habit of buying instant coffee, we can see from the orange bar, Sydney has lowest percentage, which is around 45%, and Adelaide has highest percentage, which is around 60% of people who buy instant coffee. And the last, the comparison of drinking coffee in Australia. As we can see from the chart that drinking instant coffee is more popular than drinking fresh coffee. Why? Because from the chart, as we can see, from all of the 5 cities in Australia in the chart, the percentage of people who bought instant coffee is higher than people who bought fresh coffee in each of these cities.
Okay, so from all of this explanation, we can conclude that the most popular activity or the most favorite habit in the last 4 weeks of 5 Australian cities is went to cafe for coffee or tea. But if we see from the drinking coffee indicators, people in several cities of Australia prefer to drinking or bought instant coffee rather than bought fresh coffee. That's all for our explanation. Thank you so much for your attention.